What is going on, YouTube? We back with another video, and today we are currently on the way to go meet up with one of the homies, Sad WRX. I have to figure out his real name because I don't know his real name, but we're on the way to class today and all that good stuff. And yeah, like I said, we're gonna meet up with him. Might drive his car, might not, I don't know, but it's just one of them kind of days. It is cold outside, very cold. So I need to check this antifreeze and stuff, and then we'll get on the road. All right, so we just pulled up, chat, or fam. I don't want to call y'all chat.
Hello, Mike.
What's going on, man?
Oh, fuck. You're a lot lower than I thought you were.
Yeah. It remind you of yours?
Nah, yours is a lot better than mine.
Not really.
Like this.
Yeah.
I need tint.
I had a tent, but you know it got pulled off. So yeah, it got a lot of imperfections, but that's just plays with being low. Tail lights, I cracked the original housings that were clean.
Okay.
So
Look, who cares?
yeah. So I'm definitely gonna get new housings though. I'm gonna go to the junkyard and pull some off of one.
What exhaust are you running?
Factory. Just aftermarket mufflers. Yeah. So it's quiet. Compared to the way yours was. Very quiet. Yeah. Because you had the boiler set up, right?
I did.
Yeah. I want that, but
They don't make them. I don't think they make them anymore. I don't know how the original owner got boiler exhaust on that car.
yeah. Yeah, this side is all the damage from when I had the...
Nobody sees it. I don't see it.
Yeah, that side was the original damage when the wheel came off the car on the highway that day. Yeah. So what's all done to this? In general, just what's done to it?
Let's see here. I mean, catless downpipe, top mount intercooler. Has a Boomba blow-off valve on it.
Yeah.
Grand speed turbo inlet.
Okay.
Intake.
Yeah. So how much you think it's making?
About 290.
290.
290, maybe 3. But nothing too complicated. Probably got the highest mileage WRX here. I haven't met anybody that has a WRX that has over 150K.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just hit 184K on it. Road to 200K. If I get it to 200K, then hey, I need like some sort of sticker or something.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh no, this got what? 188?
188, but like.
But it's a VQ, so.
It's a V. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
This is the FA. That's. They say it's a time bomb. A ticket time bomb, so they say. I don't know.
Yeah.
We gonna see. Shoots flames.
It does.
It does indeed shoot flames.
That's crazy. Yeah, that doesn't do anything. It don't pop, nothing. I definitely like the steering wheel.
Yeah, here you go.
What is this? We finna take it for a ride?
If you want to take it for a ride, so can you drive stick?
Yeah,
I
that's a
think you
stick.
can. Okay. I was just making
You know
sure.
that.
I was just making sure.
All right, let me set up the camera in the car then.
You know how to drive a Subaru? All you missing is
upgraded clutch.
I don't know. I don't know.
Oh yeah, I like that.
You put what do you put on here? Shifter stops.
Okay. Next thing you know about me, I don't drive with shoes, so.
I did that with my Altima. With this, I don't.
Yeah.
Slip off that clutch.
I can't do
You know how to read an access port?
Nope.
It's pretty simple. All right. You got boost over there.
Yeah.
That's your boost gauge. On your left is going to be your minimum. On your right, it's going to be the max.
Okay.
I follow this meter to build up boost, but you can also look at that to see how much boost you make. Don't worry about damn. You got the coolant temp. You got your oil temp. You got your AFRs. AFRs when you do a pull, it should be 1014 every time, and that's your intake tank.
All right, I got a road that I'm gonna take. I'm gonna take both cars down. So, am I gonna stall it?
No, man.
Oh, this is easy to drive.
It is really easy to drive.
So, are there different maps? I don't know if you said that.
I have a daily, a race, and a verbal.
Okay, is it?
It's on the race tune because it doesn't. Race tune basically say if I wanted to go do a 40-roll with somebody. The tuner basically said that on the race map, it just basically all the safety that parameters are off. Versus no, it doesn't. Versus daily tune, I have all the safety features on it.
Yeah.
Like if it's not up to operation temps, it's gonna cut boost. So safe is like 100
okay, to keep it safe.
Yeah, keep it safe. But on the so-called race when he put on there, there's no safety features at all.
Gotcha. This is actually the second WRX I drove.
Oh, how was the first one? This is the yellow one, right?
Yeah, the yellow one.
So that one was how much was that one making?
I don't know. He bought it like that.
Oh, it's stock?
So he don't know. No,
oh.
It had a whole bunch of aftermarket support on it, but he don't know exactly what was done to it. See, I just did the brakes on it, so I didn't.
I don't have hill assist on.
You don't have what?
Hill assist.
Oh.
See that light over there?
I don't even know what that is.
Bottom right corner.
Oh, okay.
Hill assist basically if you're on the hill, it'll just stay there.
Stay there. Okay. I mean, drive like a normal car at first.
Yeah. So when you get on your little road, you can put it either second or third and go wide open throttle from 2,500.
Got you.
2,500, full throttle, and then.
Sound good.
I haven't been in my own passenger seat of my own car.
Really?
Yeah, so I don't know how it feels. I'll be like, no, this shit's slow. I'm like, nah.
So will it pop and stuff if I like
When you get on it, it will.
rev match and stuff? Will it pop?
It'll burgle. A little burble down, yeah, it'll burble down.
Okay,
It won't pop.
Around with it then.
It won't pop. I mean, if you wanted to pop, I just throw the burble tune on there and it'll pop. But when you get on it, yeah. When you go from second to third, it will. I like it the most because of the all-wheel drive.
Really?
Yes. So when it rains, I turn traction control off.
Oh yeah, that sounds good. Some people say I have driver mod, but I don't know.
It's really easy, man. You know, a lot of people don't know how to rev match like that.
Yeah.
I've been with a guy with a WRX, and I was next to him, and he downshifted. He didn't rev me. He just, I was like, oh my god. He was older than me too. I was like, that's not how you do that. When I test drove this, the owner didn't even know how to rev match. When I rev matched in front of him, so that was pretty nice. Like, in my head, I'm like, if you've been driving manual for a long time, you should automatically know how to do it. But, I don't even break 100 in this car, actually.
No? Scary?
Nah, I just don't see the point of going over 100. I do a couple pulls.
It's more fun.
Once I see 90 or 100, I back off of it. Yeah.
So I'm gonna drive your car like I drive mine. So.
No.
It's all about a respect factor.
You got an NA guard. This is turbo. You gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta feel it.
Yeah.
You can't drive the clutch like a Nissan too. You're riding it a little bit.
Yeah.
It's a little quick.
personally, I just like the verbals.
I mean, yeah.
And that. I can do that all day. And that's right by the camera, so I'm pretty sure they can hear it too. That's my favorite part.
Gets annoying, actually.
Really?
Yeah, man.
How?
I be on the highway and just driving. I'm like, I don't want to hear this no more.
Really?
I drive the car a lot. Look at the amount of miles I put on it. I put 10,000 miles since I had it. I bought it at 175. It has 184 and change on there.
Yeah. It's like with this clutch though, compared to my car, you can kind of like go through the gears. I feel like I was shifting very slow.
And this?
Yes.
You gotta shift slower, actually. I personally shift slower. I let it breathe a little bit more after per shift.
I feel like
once you get off of it,
yeah,
and shift again, that little pause in between. That's what I do. Though, because it's turbo. I want the boost to spool up a little bit more.
Yeah.
While merging on the highway in this car is so fun.
Not bad.
I'll literally just hold it right there. So this is a cool thing about WRXs, right? You see how you're on the gas, you're not building any boost.
Right.
You can drive the car without building any boost, but once you push on it, you see?
Yeah.
So you can press the gas as hard as hard as you want, but you won't build any pressure.
See, like that? You can't really like.
It's like rowing.
Yeah.
It's like rowing. Yeah.
Roll the clutch out. Yeah. That was just a dump. I don't know, like WRX is an option. I just couldn't see myself in it.
Look at me. I'm supposed to be in a Mustang or something.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to be in a V8. This car is small for me, but it's so fun and practical.
Yeah, that's true.
You get all-wheel drive, you get a 6-speed, you get seats in the back. And they're really light. Really light.
Yeah. How much does it weigh?
32, 28-ish. Like the base models are lighter, for sure. So around 32, 34.
Because none of them Altimas weigh 30 and 31.
Should be lighter. Supposed to be lighter than that.
Well, the L32 generation is 31. The older ones are way lighter.
See, on paper, that's what I say. You gotta go to a weigh station and weigh it.
That's true. You put this on a weigh station?
Nah,
No?
I could though. There's a lot of weigh stations where I live at.
I feel like it handled good too.
Does it?
Yeah, it handles pretty good.
Does it handle good? You can see like all
G-forces and all that too?
the newer ones, yes, but this just shows you the power and when it cuts per wheel. So if it's snowing or something, say if you lose traction, it'll show which wheel. See, it's all green. That's all power going to all 4 wheels. But the moment you're not, it's gonna just flash red at you.
That's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
So this is gonna be the end of the video. Don't mind my mom in the background. This is gonna be the end of the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I got the same motivational quote as last time. Just keep pushing in life. And yes, next video, I got a little surprise for y'all. So go set the camera up and then I'm gonna surprise my mom too. So yeah, like I said, keep going. I'm about to set up a camera and get y'all this last clip.
I'm gonna look through the camera.
No.
You better not be bringing no pet in here. Candace, what he have? What the hell is that? A treadmill?
From my good old sponsors.
What is it?
Read it.
That's right.
High performance catback exhaust.
Oh my God.
Thank you from my sponsors at Flash Shark.
Oh my God.
Yeah, we'll see that next video on the installment video. So that means like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you will get the next video. Thank you.